In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully upload an ebook to your HostGator server and make it available for download. This process is fairly straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident sharing your new ebook with the world. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to log into the HostGator cPanel. If you're unfamiliar with cPanel, it's essentially the control panel for your web hosting. This is where you'll manage your website files, databases, email accounts, and more. To log in, start by navigating to the HostGator website and click on the Customer Portal Login. Enter your username and password and you'll be brought to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the cPanel link or button, which should appear prominently on the interface. Click it to proceed to the cPanel homepage. Now that we're in cPanel, we need to locate and open the File Manager. File Manager is an essential tool that allows you to manage all the files on your server. Think of it like your computer's file explorer, but for your website. Once you find the File Manager icon, go ahead and open it. You'll be directed to a new page where you can see all the directories and files that constitute your website. The next step is to navigate to the directory where you want to upload your ebook. Typically, this would be the public HTML folder, as it's the root directory where your main website content is stored. If you have a dedicated folder for ebooks, like public/HTML/ebooks, that would be the ideal location. Now you can easily browse through the folders listed to find your desired destination. Don't worry if it feels a bit like rummaging through a file cabinet. Once you're familiar with your website structure, this step becomes second nature. Once you're inside the correct directory, it's time to upload your ebook. Look for the upload button, usually positioned at the top of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer. Navigate to where you've saved your ebook, select your PDF file, and start the upload. You'll see a progress indicator as your file uploads to the server. Take a short pause to ensure the upload is 100% complete before moving on. After your PDF has been successfully uploaded, you'll want to get the URL of your file. This is as simple as right-clicking the file you've just uploaded and selecting the option that allows you to view or copy the URL. This URL is crucial as it's the direct link users will click to access your ebook. Finally, what good is a link if no one can find it? You need to insert this download link on your website or share it directly through other means, like an email or social media post. If you're adding it to your site, you might want to create a download button or a hyperlink in a visible spot where your visitors can easily find it. And just like that, your ebook is ready to be downloaded by your audience.